Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to my Thanksgiving menu and I'm going to make a side. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: cilantro lime rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: salt, a lime, cilantro, minced garlic. I have here lime juice I freshly squeezed it. Olive oil, and the rice. You can use basmati rice or regular white long grain rice. I've washed it several times here in cold water. And we're going to put some water in it also. Now let's move on to making the lime rice. I have a cast iron pot here, and we're going to turn it on medium high. And we're going to put the olive oil in the pot. And we're going to the garlic in the pot. Along with the garlic, we're going to add the rice to the pot, and we're going to let it brown. I'm sauteing the rice up in the olive oil and garlic. This is a quick and easy side dish you can make on Thanksgiving or for any occasion you like. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. The next thing we do is we zest a lime over the rice. Try not to get the white parts, because that's bitter. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. And we're going to add some salt to it. And now we're going to add the water. And we're going to cover it up and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now let's finish up with the cilantro rice. Now we're going to take the freshly squeezed lime juice and pour it in. And we're going to have the cilantro jump into the pot. And we're going to mix this up. After we mix everything up, we're going to cover it up and let it cook for about 5 minutes, then turn it off. Here you have it, cilantro lime rice. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.